Measure and mark out an active area of up to 2 square meters. This will be used for touch commands. It can be almost any shape, but long stripes need to be at least 400 millimeters wide. Use the supplied template over switch plate areas to mark out where the coating must not be applied, as well as the cutout position for the SmartLink cable. The use of masking tape makes this easier. Paint around the edges of the marked switch plate area with a brush. Use one of the recommended rollers for the main active area and a brush for any corners if needed. Apply the coating, taking care to feather the edges as shown here to avoid thick edges showing through subsequent coats. After the first coat is dry, apply coating to the back of the SmartLink pad as shown. Immediately attach to the cutout position using the pins provided. Make sure the cable end is pushed inside the wall, then apply the final coat of SmartTouch conductive coating over the entire active area. After at least 12 hours, measure the electrical resistance of the SmartLink cable to the wall and then test at 500 millimeters overlapping sections across the active area of wall. Around 1500 ohms is typical, but consult the datasheet for more details. Choose from the large range of colours in Resene Space Coat or Lustracryl to provide an easy to clean surface over your active area or entire wall. For high use areas or even better resistance against really dirty hands, apply a coat of Resene Space Coat Clear as extra protection. It's now time for an electrician to connect the wiring. The electrician may need to configure the system using the installation app. Double tap the active area of the wall to control the lights. Homeowners can also download the SmartTouch installation app to reconfigure and customize the system, including a range of touch commands and timer functions. That's it. Enjoy using your new SmartTouch system.